Up to now, we have learned how to enter a teach sequence. Starting with this video, we will learn how to edit a sequence. Our objective in this video is to learn how to move through the steps that make up a teach sequence and how to run and stop it. If your model doesn't have the markers, place them. If the stepper controller program is not running, start it. Load the ABC sequence by either clicking on File and then on Open Teach Sequence, or by clicking on the Open Teach Sequence button on the toolbar. In either case, select ABC Sequence on the Open dialog window and then click on the Open button. The stepper controller will transfer the steps to the stepper board. It will move the model to its home position, and after the car closes the limit switch, the board will move the car to the first step in the sequence. Notice that at this point, the car is next to the A marker, and in the teach sequence panel, the step position A is selected. Click on the position B step. The stepper controller selects the step you clicked on, and the stepper board moves the car to the B marker. Each time you click on a step in the sequence, the controller selects it, and the board moves the model to that position. When you click on the next button on the Teach toolbar, the controller will select the next step in the sequence, and the board will move the model to the corresponding position. A click on the previous button will move the software and the model to the previous step. Click now on the Run button in the toolbar. The car will move to the first position, and then it will move sequentially through all the steps in the sequence. When you click on the Stop button, the controller completes the step it is executing and then stops the model. By clicking on the Continue button, we get the model to resume executing the sequence from the position it was stopped. You can test your sequence by clicking on the Cycle Once button. A click on this button moves the model to the first step in the sequence. It then goes through all the steps, and after it reaches the first step for a second time, the controller stops the sequence. If, while running the sequence, you have to stop your model without delay, you can click on the Emergency Stop button. A click on this button will stop all motors immediately without allowing them to complete the current sequence step. Review this material, and when ready, continue with the next video in the series.